This is question number 11. We want to find out if for this function, we want to find out the x-intercept, y-intercept, vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So to find the x-intercept, you set the numerator equal to 0 and you solve for x. So you go minus 4x plus 9 equal to 0. Subtract 9. You get minus 4x is negative 9 because 0 minus 9 is minus 9. Then divide by negative 4. You get x is negative over negative is positive. You get 9 over 4. Do not put this as negative 9 over negative 4. Alex is going to count it wrong. So your x-intercept is 9 over 4, comma 0. To find the vertical asymptote, you set the denominator equal to 0. So you set that equal to 0. So you get x squared minus 16 equal to 0. To solve this equation, isolate your only x term, so add 16. Get rid of the square by putting square root on both sides. The number sides gets positive and negative. The square root of 16 is 4. So you do have vertical asymptote. You have two of them. X is positive 4 and x is negative 4. If you miss one, you're not going to get the credit. Then it says find the y-intercept and horizontal asymptote. So let's find horizontal asymptote. To find the horizontal asymptote, you look at the degree from the top, which is 1. The degree from the bottom is 2. Since the bottom degree is bigger than the top degree, then horizontal asymptote y is equal to 0. So 1 is smaller than 2, or 2 is bigger than 1. So the degree, every time the top degree is smaller than the bottom degree, horizontal asymptote is 0. Lastly, we want to find the y-intercept. Write your function. Instead of x, put parentheses. Then go back and change your x's to 0. So negative 4 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 9, ignore, you get 9. 0 minus 16, ignore that, you get negative 16. Positive over negative is negative. So don't leave it as 9 over negative 16. Move the negative on the side. And we call that the y-intercept. So x-intercept, y-intercept, horizontal asymptote, and vertical asymptotes.